Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today we're doing a little Kiehl's unboxing. This is the second PR package that they've sent me. I did a little unboxing of the first PR package I received on my Instagram, so if you want to go check that out, you definitely can. But I got a second package in and I wanted to do a little YouTube video because I thought it'd be better for me to describe or to talk about like the products and which ones I loved and kind of my feedback and my review on some of the products that I've already tried. I did get to choose a few other ones, but they decided which to send me, so it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise to me. So I'm not entirely sure what products are in here, so we're just gonna go ahead and open it up together. Before I do that, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I love when they send like a little personalized note. Hi Stephanie, we're so excited for you to try this collection of products. We'd love to hear your honest thoughts and see your progress. Be sure to tag at Kiehl's using hashtag gifted by Kiehl's when sharing your content to your friends at Kiehl's. That is so sweet. Aww. Yes, it is. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so we have 4 products in here. We are gonna get started with one that I recognize and that I've used literally until I had nothing left. And this is their creamy eye treatment with avocado. When I tell you guys, this product, the best. I would use it at night and take like a very small amount, put it around like my eye area. When I would wake up, my eyes felt so hydrated and so refreshed. This, I honestly felt the most change out of all the products that I received this last time. And so I'm really excited to get a restock because this was like one of my favorite products from that box. It's so good. It's green, it's luscious, very hydrating. And I'm telling you, like, this product, if you try any of these today, is probably gonna be the one that I suggest you pick up because it's honestly that good. I think this is also bigger. Last time I got, I think it was smaller. Maybe, I don't know. But anyway, this is their avocado eye treatment and it is seriously the best. Okay, this next product is new to me from Kiehl's. It's their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate Vitamin C with Hyaluronic Acid. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me go ahead and open it so we can see what the actual product looks like. It's in this really pretty bottle and it has a pump, which honestly I've been loving because I can just put it straight on my face versus having to use like my hands. I'm really weird about like product on my hands because I feel like it's wasteful. The reason why I was curious to try this because I'm not new to vitamin C in general, but I haven't been using it in a really long time. And so basically what vitamin C does is help just firm the skin, help with wrinkles, fine lines, just kind of reducing like signs of aging basically. I'm curious to see how this will work for my skin. I do notice that I have like finer lines under my eyes and a little bit of like crow's feet, and then I am getting like the 11s or whatever because I'm just constantly like doing this on my laptop when I'm editing, whatever. It's just like natural for our faces to make these expressions. Anyway, it's not like a huge problem, but I'm really curious to see like how this product will work for me. Previously I would do vitamin C only in the mornings, never really at night, so I think I'm gonna try to do the same thing, feel it out, see how my skin kind of reacts to it because I have been having a little bit more breakouts like in my chin area and like my jawline. So I'm trying to like kind of give my skin a break. This is a product that, like I said, is not new to my skin, but this specific like Kiehl's vitamin C is. So we'll just see how it goes, but I will definitely keep you guys updated. Okay, this next product I actually love and hands down would recommend. It's their Better Screen UV Serum Sunscreen with SPF 50+. Any sunscreen that's 50+ is like a winner in my eyes. This also has collagen peptide, so it helps visibly correct fine lines, uneven skin tone, and dull skin. I actually really love this product. I just finished my first bottle like this morning, I'm not joking. So I'm so glad that I now have a little restock. It does get a little messy at the top. Just make sure you're constantly like cleaning that. This little product I used every day since I got it and it did not break me out. It did not clog my pores. It honestly, like, I felt my face was more hydrated. I don't know if that's like a sunscreen thing. I will say this sunscreen also does not have a white cast. I know sometimes like sunscreens have like that reputation of leaving a white cast on your face. This sunscreen does not, and I wish like I wasn't wearing makeup so I could show you guys exactly how to apply it, or how I do it at least, and the way that it just like blends into your skin. Like there's no white cast at all. It just looks super natural. Your skin feels and looks super hydrated. I should also mention that I have like normal to like combination skin. Obviously, like during the winter, our skin just naturally gets drier, especially if you're in colder climates. I think every day you should wear sunscreen. It doesn't even matter if you're outside or not. This sunscreen, along with that avocado eye cream, those were my two favorite from the previous PR box. I requested another SPF sunscreen and I'm so glad that they decided to give it to me. It's on my bathroom countertop right now. Like I said, I just finished it this morning, but it will be replaced with this one right after this video. Okay, and for the last product in this package, we have the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. This is what it looks like. I had a really bad experience with retinol several years ago and my face was so itchy, so I'm a little hesitant to like dive into the retinol sphere again, but I want to because I am noticing wrinkles or like really fine lines that again are not big deal, but you know, if you can manage it, why not? Basically this retinol, I was reading online that it is a microdose, which is good. I think with retinol you should be very careful applying it a few times a week and then like gradually increasing. This is supposed to reduce wrinkles, firm, minimize your pores, and reduce skin tone and texture. For me, I do have a little bit of texture on my face and I've noticed that these last several weeks. So I'm really curious to see how this retinol will help. Let me actually open it because I don't even know what it looks like. Oh wow, look at this bottle. And the cap, also a pump, which is really good. I do like that it has a cap. Looks very clean, very sleek. I also wonder what the product actually looks like. I will have to update you guys next time. And the way it says to use is to apply it after cleansing over the entire face, including the under eye and crow's feet area. So I kind of mentioned earlier that that's like somewhere where I kind of have seen like little fine lines. If applied during the day, our serum with retinol should always be used with SPF. Well, I'm definitely not using it during the day for now. I will only be doing it at night and I will be doing 2 times a week. I think I'm just gonna kind of like go with the flow, see how my skin's doing, how it's feeling. Okay, I am not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about this, but I'm gonna start slow and progressively increase the application. Again, I don't want to like overwhelm my skin, especially because I feel like I'm finally getting it to a point where it's like not so irritated. So we are going to use this, but we are going to proceed with caution. And I will give you guys an update on my miniature skin journey. You can see like I have some texture along my chin and a little bit on my jawline. Like more so I think on this side I see it, but we are our biggest critics. We don't need to strive for perfection, but we can manage certain things. All right guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you've tried any of these or other products that maybe you recommend that I should try. I'm also gonna link all of these products down in the description box in case you're interested. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more, and I will see you here next time. Bye.